Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I will present an article with this theme is Design of Thematic Interactive Learning Media Application for Elementary School based on Android. I ask your attention to listen my presentations. Let's get started. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Hardianti Lestari. You can call me Dian or Hardianti. I'm a student information systems diploma at Home University with student number 67011940021. Okay, let's just move on to the first slide. On the first slide, there is an abstract for the application. In 2013, the government issued a learning curriculum. This curriculum is known as Curriculum or Curriculum 2013. In this curriculum, the government emphasizes the delivery of theme-based or thematic learning for children. Basically, thematic learning is learning where on one theme there are several subjects that are mixed and matched so that children can immediately learn various subjects of these lessons. This learning makes children seem to be paid during the training process in each subject. To simplify the training process, an interactive thematic learning media was designed for first grade elementary school children based on Android. The working method used in designing this application is the waterfall method. The waterfall method is an orderly and sequential method of software development from top to the bottom. The steps in the waterfall method are 5 stages. There are requirements. In this first stage, the application requirements will be identified what the candidate would expect to share. To find out these needs can be known by making observations. The second stage is design. Based on the specifications of the requirements already determined, then the system design will be prepared that will help in determining hardware and system requirements and also help in defining the system architecture whole. The third stage is implementation. At this stage, the system was first developed in little programs called units. That is integrated in a later stage. Every unit developed and tested for functionality, which is referred to as unit testing. The fourth stage is verification. The entire unit is developed in stage implementation, integrated into the system after each test performed unit. After integration, the whole system is tested for check for any failures or mistakes. And the last stage are operation and maintenance. Device software that is so run and done maintenance. Maintenance is included in fixing errors that were not found in the previous step. Repair implementation of system unit and service improvements system as a new requirements. The next slide is the benefit of the applications. There are 4 benefits of using Hurang applications, such as provide roles for elementary school class students to practice in a more interactive. Students can interact and do the practice questions directly delivered by teachers of the application. Students can review the practice questions delivered by teacher wherever they are. And the last benefit is save the results of student learning tests in the form of scores that can be seen by their parents. And the next, is the use case diagram for teacher. First, the teacher will be directed to the login page by entering personal data to enter the application. Then, will be directed to the main menu page. On this page, there are features where the teacher can create or manage questions and a list of grades which will help the teacher control the grades of their students. On the use case diagram for students, the students will be directed to the login page by entering their personal data to enter the application. Then, to the main menu page, students can do the practice and tests given by the teacher. And the next slide is an application mockup design. On the main page of the application, there are features for login, registration, and help feature. In the login feature, in this feature, the user can enter personal data in order to use the Hurang application. For the student application, there is a main menu page that contains practice features, tests, and score features. With these features, students can do exercise or test anywhere and anytime. Students can also see the result of the test. Now, we go to the mock-up application for teacher. In the teacher application, there is a question set feature. The teacher can arrange questions that will be worked on by students later. And the teacher can also see a list of the score of students who have done exercise or tests. In this last slide, which is the conclusion of the explanation of the article I chose with the theme Design of Thematic Interactive Learning Media Applications for Elementary School based on Android. Learning media applications have been obtained to meet the needs of users to get interactive learning media. The interactive components are sound component and image component. Application can also be used by first graders of school based on which to be the primary user of this application. The last I say, thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.